Hello everyone and welcome back to Life Equals Lemons. Thanks for joining us today. We've got a video on how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. So what you're going to need first are eggs. And the second thing is not just any old pot, but you need to have a pot with a lid. And here's the magic ingredient: white, plain old distilled vinegar. Nothing special, but you do need it, and it's going to help make those eggs perfect for you. You will need a timer, because that's all. By the way, this isn't like ancient, like nobody probably uses these anymore, but yeah, just for the video purposes, you do have to have one. For my older people, yes, if you still have one, please use this one. For my younger people, you're like, I don't have a timer. Yeah, there's one on your smartphone. You got it. Trust me, you got it. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you have to have water in the pot. We have water in the pot. There we go. And you need to take your eggs out. I'm going to happen to do 4 today, so I'm going to put these guys right in there, like so. The eggs are cold. The water is cold. Nobody's got time to sit around and wait for their eggs to warm up. Trust me, there's just no time for that. So now, the magic ingredient is, yes, the vinegar goes in now, splash. I don't know how much that is. Go for it. You can't really mess it up. Yeah, pretty much you can't mess it up. It'll be fine. What we're going to do now is we're going to boil these guys on the stove, but not put the lid on. What we're going to do is we're going to bring them to a boil. Once they come to a boil, rolling that is, put the lid on. Set your timer or your smartphone for 10 minutes and let them sit there. So once I've boiled these guys, we're going to come back and I'll show you how easy it is to peel them. By the way, the reason why this is the magic ingredient is because of this is what allows you to peel the eggs without having all the whites come off. So we'll be back in just a minute after we boil these guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back. So just to review, we put our 4 eggs into a pot with a couple splashes of white vinegars, plain old distilled white vinegar, brought it to a boil without the lid on. When it was at a boil, we turned the heat off, put the lid back on, and set a timer for 10 minutes. So I already did that, just went over, drained them at the sink, and I let them sit in a little bit of cold water for, I don't know, maybe like 2 minutes or so. So they're still a little bit warm to the touch. But I'm going to show you what they look like and how easy they are to peel, like so. Hopefully. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Take a look. We've got, it's coming off, but the white of the egg is still nice and solid, looking good. So by the way, I also have another tip for you. These eggs are a little bit on the, oh, I don't want to say old side. There you go. There's a lovely looking hard-boiled egg. If you have super fresh eggs, it may not work quite as well. So if your eggs are like maybe like, I don't know, a week old or something like that, been sitting in the refrigerator for a while, that tends to work better. I used to love to, for church events or picnics or family functions that were happening, especially in the summer, these make for fabulous picnic food, right? You want to do deviled eggs. And God darn it, it was just so hard. And a friend of mine said, hey, you know, why don't you put a little vinegar in the water? I said, what are you talking vinegar? What does that have to do with anything? And by the way, that one came out even better. It is beautiful, and you could slice that sucker, and it just makes it perfect. They're easy, and I don't have big chunks of the white coming off. So I think I'm going to just finish peeling these, and I'm going to have a lovely egg salad lunch. So for those of you who enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit the like, but also hit the subscribe, because we're going to be coming up with a lot more videos on Life Equals Lemons. You can find us on YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. We're on all of those platforms. And of course, go to lifeequalslemons.com, sign up for our email list, and you will get a newsletter and an occasional email. We're going to try to not bombard your inbox with tons of emails. So, and also we'd like to hear from you. Give us some suggestions. You know, are you dealing with little tiny things like this, or is it big things? Big things, either way. So anyway, enjoy, and I'm gonna go have lunch now. Bye.